Copy trading the best meme coin traders in 2025 is still possible when you're using the absolute fastest trading software available. Here with Tradewiz, they actually have the fastest copy trading bot available. And why that's so important is because when we are copy trading, the speed at which your trades execute is probably the most defining factor, because now that a lot of people know about copy trading, as soon as one of your top wallets are found, they take a trade. You want to be one of the first, if not the first trader to actually copy their trade, get in literally the trade after them, because as more people are potentially copy trading, that actually gives you a massive advantage overall. And here we can see Tradewiz have done their own comparison against some of the other biggest copy trading bots, and they have come out well above all others. The overall transaction speed is the fastest across the board. And actually, with their latest update here, originally they were a Telegram copy trading bot, but this latest update here, they're now available on the web app. So don't forget to check out that first link in the video description. Here you get direct access to Tradewiz. Now, it is an original Telegram bot, so you can actually come over to Telegram here. Once you've opened up your account, you can actually fund your account like I've done here. And then we can click copy trade web app, and we're taken right here over to the web app. So Tradewiz even give you some of the best meme coin traders right now to actually dive further into potentially copy trades. Like here in their smart money section, we have top 200 calls. This section is great, but I wouldn't utilize this section only, because what you will find is these top 200 influencers already know that their wallets are being copied. They know that they are profitable traders. They're either showing their community, they're sending out their wallet and saying, hey, this is my wallet, you should actually check that out. This, you could actually potentially copy trade. So they already understand that they're being copy traded. So a lot of the times they will farm you with their profits. They'll actually enter and literally exit just 5 seconds later, because their copy trading wallets also buy, and then they sell into the buyers. So really what I'm focusing here is on top smart money, and then also creating my own wallets as well. So you can actually jump into my Telegram group. I actually linked a TXT file where I actually gave you more than 50 meme coin traders right now. So you could actually go through them, see which ones are the most profitable, and actually add them to your smart money list and potentially begin to copy trade them. So here on the top smart money, you can actually go through and analyze this specific trader. Once we actually click on them, a lot more information will be shown, like, their P&L calendar. So we see each day how much they're making, how consistently are they making money. Then we can go over the last 30 days, 20 days, 1 day. So here we can analyze this trader actually quite consistently is making money. Sure, he's had, $100,000 profit day, but he's consistently also having $1,000 profit days, $3,000, $4,000 profit days. See his overall holding duration, 30-day entry market cap. This is all very important information once you do want to execute your copy trading for a specific trader. So we can go back to our original list. So here, once you're ready to actually copy trade a trader, all you need to do is copy their wallet address. So you see this little copy symbol. Then I'll actually come over to copy trade. Then I'll come to new copy trade. Then you can see here, you have a tag. So you can actually add a name. So let's say Tradewiz Trader 1. Then we put a comma, and then we actually put that target wallet. So here we've got the name for the trader and now the target wallet. Perfect. Then we can either put a fixed copy, so we can set up, and let's say we only want to be buying for 0.5 Solana, 1 Solana, and we could set up our own spending limit. But a great way as well is to set up a buy ratio. So let's say if a trader was to enter in for a 3 Solana trade, and we're going to copy trade with a 50% buy ratio, we'll enter in for 1.5 Solana. Copy buy amount, we can select. Spending limit is also great. Leave the DEX pools, these are fine. Depending on the specific trader, some of them might be trading only pump file, and they might also only be trading on Jupiter. Depends. and I'll let them actually trade and leave their strategy. You will want to optimize your buy and sell slippage. So this is where analyzing the specific trader comes in. This is where analyzing the specific trader is very useful. If they're buying low market cap coins, we'll increase the slippage. If they're buying larger market cap coins, we don't need so much slippage. We'll actually put a sell anti-MEV and actually put a very small tip. And then we have all the advanced copy trading settings, auto sell settings. Some of these settings, again, is very specific on the trader. It depends on what type of market cap type coins they're buying, where they're entering, and overall their trading strategy. And then once you're ready, you can click create copy tasks. You'll now be copying this trader every single time they enter a trade. You can copy with whatever size you desire, and you will be one of the fastest traders to copy and actually get in. As I showed you, the speed behind Tradewiz is better than all other copy trading bots. And speed being so important in 2025, this is the way to stay ahead of copy trading. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe. Check out the link in the video description for Tradewiz, and I'll see you in the next one.